So we're getting about 2.5 weeks away from Mud Nationals, and I brought the wife's bike up here to the shop to do a cage chop and rooftop. Also gonna mount some LED whips here and get the light bar installed. So from the ground, we're currently about 73.5 inches to the top of the roof. We should be down about 69, 70 by the time we get done here. Got the factory X-brace on the top cut out and cleaned up all the factory brackets and old tubes. Now time to cut some new crossbars. We got the 3 new support bars cut and fit in. Time to weld it out. Getting close here. Got the light bar tabs. Tabs for the whips here. Got those put on. Almost ready for some paint and the rooftop. Four-inch cage chop is all complete. Light bar all mounted up here. 32-inch. Got the whips. Whips are all mounted, ready to go. Turned out pretty good. See you guys at Mud Nats.